welcome to another biology presentation. So I want us to answer this simple question. The diagram shows a longitudinal section through a bean seed. So this is the bean seed. So this bean seed is labeled J and I. Okay. Then we also have the micropyle. So before we even look at the question, you can try to answer or to label these parts. This part labeled J right here. Sorry, this part labeled I right here. This is called D. This is the tester. Okay. This is the tester, or you can call it the CD, the CD code. Okay. And this function is just to protect the seed from any infection or damage. Then we also have the part labeled J. So this part labeled J right here. This is called the cotyledon. This is called the cotyledon. And this function normally just store food. Okay. Store food. So we can now look at the questions. So here is our first question. Our question A. Identify the parts labeled I and J. So as you can see, we have identified, we have said the part labeled I is the tester right here, and the part labeled J is the cotyledon. Okay, so we now come to our second question. All right, so let's take a look at our second question. So this is our second question right here. So under question B, we have two questions. So we're going to start with question B1. Describe the role of the micropyle and structure J. So the role of the micropyle is just to absorb, okay, just say is to absorb water. That is the role of the micropyle. Just absorbs water so that the water can be used by the seed. Okay. Then the structure J, this one we said structure J is the cotyledon, which stores. So it stores food so that the young embryonic seed can use it during germination. Okay, so these are your answers. Okay, so these are your answers. You can say the function of the micropyle is just to absorb water. Okay, then the function of the cotyledon is to store food so that the young embryo can use it as it's growing during germination, during the process of germination. So thank you so much, everybody. Welcome to the end of our lesson. This has been your presenter, Mr. Mlenga. Bye bye.